And that it is what it is. So if you have any questions about this, if it's unclear for you or something, leave the question in the comment box below. I'll be happy to help you. All right. On the last stitch, we should work color change, okay? And we won't need to work with the dark pink anymore. So for round 19, you will work 18 back loop slip stitch. Okay, so let's work this. For this slip stitch, you work in the back loop only. If you don't know what is the back loop and the front loop, what is this many loops in the stitches, check the description. There is a tutorial showing you what is all the loops from the stitches, okay? So let's just work this. And once you're done with this round, let's quick stop here and add stuffing material, because if we don't do this now, later will be a tough job to do it. I'll just stop here real quick, do it, and I will catch you up. Great. Now we are working only with the dark pink, you see? For this next round, you will work only in the remaining front loop of the stitch, which is this front loop in light pink, okay? You will work 2 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 24 stitches at the end of this round. So work in the front loop of the stitch. You can see here, it's in the light pink. Okay, this arm is annoying me. I will add pins here just to fasten just a little bit, you know, this arm, so while I'm working, this arm is not waving, hey, yay, you know, outside. Okay, so let's move on here. This is my first increase. So this is the first repetition I'm working here. All right, and that's it. You repeat all the way around, and I will catch you up here. 1 and 2, and this is my increase. You can add your stitch marker there, all right? So you see here, this is the front loop in light pink. You can see a line over here, here, and here, and here, right? Okay, so once you're done, let's move on. Let me show you here first. This round inside is the round with the slip stitch, this round over here. We did not work on that round because we want that round to be inside of the toy, and this will create a very nice sharp edge between the body and the face, okay? Now let's move on. All right, so for round 21, you will work 3 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat all the way around, repeat 6 times, and you should have 30 stitches at the end of this round, all right? So let me work here the first repetition with you. Okay, my increase over here. Great. So we have 1, 2, 3, increase here. All right, once you're done, let's work here round 22. 4 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 36 stitches at the end of this round. And I give you light. It's hard for me to figure out the lightning for shooting. Okay, first increase over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and increase. Repeat all the way until the end. And this is how we should be looking like. Great, now let's move on for round 23. 5 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 42 stitches at the end of this round. All right, and for now, this will be it with increases. Okay. Super good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 increase. Okay, so repeat all the way around. And this is how it should be looking like. It's kind of having a shape here. Very nice. Now let's move on here for round 24 to 26. You will work 42 single crochet. So round 24, 25, and 26, you just work here 42 single crochet. Very easy. And I will catch you up here for the round 27. All right, so once you're done, look at this. Now we kind of have a shape, okay? So now for round 27, we will start working decreases. So here you will work 5 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 36 stitches at the end of this round. All right, so let's work the first repetition here together. My decrease. All right, so work all the way around and I will catch you up at the end. Super good. Now let's move on and work our round 28. So here you will work 4 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 30 stitches at the end of this round. So as always, let's work together here the first repetition. Okay. Super good. Invisible decrease, grab the front loop only of the stitch, repeat all the way around, and super great. Look at this, shaping. Haha. All right, now for round 29 and 30, you will work 30 single crochet. Oh, lots of 30 here. So work here your stitches and I will catch you up for the next instruction. For the next instructions. Okay, moving on now, you see we have some shape. I like this. It's some Cheshire cat is forming. For round 31, you will work 3 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 24 stitches at the end of this round. So let's work here the first repetition together. Okay. Super good. Repeat all the way around. And moving on for round 32, we are almost done here with this head, okay? You will work for round 32, 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 18 stitches at the end of this round. And we will be almost done with the body. Repeat all the way around. Super good. Now we'll have a quick stop here again to add stuffing material, okay? So add as much stuffing material, as many you want. And we will move on for our last round from this body. Yay! So for round 33, you will work 1 single crochet to 1 decrease, repeat 6 times, and you should have 12 stitches at the end of this round. So here, don't live life dangerously like I am, and I forgot to add my stitch marker. Just add your stitch marker. Great. So I will go for my second repetition here. Ready? And I will catch you up so we can fasten this off. All right. So once you finish with round 33, let's cut this yarn and start fastening off. So I added this in my tapestry needle, and you will grab just the front loop of the stitch, okay? Front loop of the stitch, front loop of the stitch. So grab the front loop of all the stitches. Let me move a bit fast here. I have also a tutorial showing you how I fasten off my crochet toys, but here basically you can see how it's done. Once you grab all the front loop of the 12 stitches, you pull it tight. You see, you go with love, tight but with love. And you wave in the last round here, this tail, so we make sure that it's very nice, closed, and it's a good looking. Okay. Once you wave in inside, you can hide this tail inside this toy and cut this off. Look at this. Ah, very nice. Looking beautiful. Let's move on. Now we'll start working here the ears of our Cheshire cat. Okay? So once again, we start with the magic ring, and you will work 4 single crochet inside the magic ring. Okay? Just 4 single crochet. For this detail, we will work slow, and I will go all the way with you because it's a small detail, and I think as a smaller is a bit harder to work, to hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's pull this tight close the magic ring, and move on for the next round. So for round number 2, from here now we'll start increasing 2 stitches per round. So here you will work 1 increase, 1 single crochet, and then you will repeat 2 times, okay? So first we work the increase and then we work the single crochet. So 1 increase is done, 1 single crochet. And now my second repetition here, 1 increase and 1 single crochet. So we reach the end. All right, and you can see here, I will show you, like, organize your stitches because it's a very small detail and you can see that it's curling to the outside. The tension is very tight, so organize your stitches to face the right side out. And for the third round you will work 1 increase, 2 single crochet, repeat 2 times, and you should have 8 stitches. So here I am working my first increase, now 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then moving on for my second repetition, 1 increase over here, and then 1 single crochet, and then 1 other single crochet. That's beautiful, and we are done with this round. All right, now let's move on for round number 4. You will work here 1 increase, 3 single crochet, repeat 2 times, and you should have 10 stitches at the end of this round. Now we have some shape here, all right, because it's getting bigger a bit to hold it. So this, I'm working now my second repetition here. So 1 increase, okay, and then now the single crochet, okay, all the way until the end. You can see here I didn't add a stitch marker because it's smaller, so I'm counting everything with my head. So again, I'm living life dangerously, but you can add the stitch marker and you can see, you see, look at this, it's a nice triangle, super cute. Now let's pull this yarn a bit and cut this tail and send this tail to the back so we can hide this inside, and we have one tiny ear is done. Look at this. Oh, very nice. And you work another one that I have it here. Baba magic.